Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a truly epic journey, one that starts not in a galaxy far, far away, but right here at the very beginning of our own world. If you thought the birth of the solar system was wild, buckle up, because Earth's grand debut was an absolute spectacle of fire and chaos. Imagine a newborn planet, not a serene blue marble, but a swirling, incandescent inferno. Freshly coalesced from cosmic dust and gas, our Earth began as a molten sphere, a truly hellish landscape of glowing magma. This wasn't some gentle formation. It was a violent, high-stakes cosmic construction project where the rules of engagement were pretty straightforward: collide, merge, and get hotter. Right after the sun ignited and the early planets began to take shape, countless rocky fragments and protoplanets were still hurtling through space. Earth, our future home, grew by relentlessly slamming into these cosmic building blocks. Each impact added mass, but also unleashed immense energy, keeping our young planet in a liquid, fiery state. It was like a cosmic snowball, but instead of snow, it was collecting red-hot rocks and metal. As more and more material clumped together, gravity took over. The heavier elements, like iron and nickel, began to sink towards the center, forming our planet's super-dense core. Lighter silicate materials floated upwards, creating the mantle. This process, called differentiation, was crucial. It's why Earth has a magnetic field, which, spoiler alert, becomes super important for life later on. So, even in its earliest chaotic state, our planet was already setting the stage for its incredible future. But the violence didn't stop there. For hundreds of millions of years, Earth, along with its planetary neighbors, endured a relentless barrage known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. Picture this: a sky not of stars, but of countless meteors and asteroids, some the size of small moons, raining down on the surface. Each impact was an unimaginable explosion, gouging out massive craters, vaporizing rock, and sending plumes of superheated steam and debris hurtling into space. It was a cosmic demolition derby, continuously reshaping our planet's fiery face. These impacts brought more than just destruction. Some theories suggest they might have delivered crucial ingredients, like water and organic molecules, to our young world. Despite the constant bombardment, something remarkable was beginning to happen. Slowly, gradually, in between the colossal impacts, our planet started to cool. The intense heat radiating into space allowed the very surface of the molten Earth to begin solidifying. Imagine thin, fragile rafts of rock forming on a vast ocean of lava, cracking, breaking apart, and then reforming as the planet slowly exhaled its internal heat. This was the birth of Earth's first crust, a truly monumental step from a featureless fireball to a world with a distinct surface. These initial crustal fragments were constantly being recycled, melted, and reformed by the underlying magma. It was a dynamic, turbulent process, but it was the first whisper of stability. The chaotic dance of fire and rock was starting to coalesce into something more organized, setting the foundation for continents and oceans that would eventually emerge. And as the cooling continued, another pivotal event unfolded that would profoundly shape Earth's destiny, paving the way for the emergence of water and ultimately, life itself. But that's a story for our next episode, where we dive into the incredible tale of how our moon came to be and how Earth finally got its first oceans. It's truly mind-blowing to think about how our beautiful planet started as such a violent, inhospitable place, a testament to the incredible forces of the cosmos. If you found this journey back to Earth's fiery beginnings as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button, share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you do not miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.